Okay, in this video I'm going to go through a couple of problems, and this is homework 5. So I'm going to do this one, and I already have it filled in except for this column underneath the turnstile. So what we have here is an argument with two premises. First premise is A or B, second premise is A, and then the conclusion is not A and B. Okay, so to fill in this column, I need to look at this column here for the first premise, this column here for the second premise, and then this column here for the conclusion. All right, so on line 1, the first premise is true, the second premise is true, and the conclusion is false. Okay, so right off the bat, we have a bad line. When the premises are true and the conclusion is false, that's a bad line, so F. Line 2, true, true, and true. Okay, that's fine. True, false, and false. That's fine. False, false, and false. That's also fine. Okay, so we have one bad line, and so that means that this argument is not valid. Check it, and then submit. Okay, then the other problem I want to go through with you is here. Okay, this one, so okay, so again we have two premises, A if and only if C. That's our first premise. Our second premise is B and C, and our conclusion is A. Okay, so again we're looking at this column here, and this column here. So true, true, and true. So that's fine. False, false, that's going to be fine. True, false, that's going to be fine. False, false, that's going to be fine. False, true, that's going to be fine. True, false, that's going to be fine. False, true, that's fine. True, false, that is also fine. Did I do this right? Yeah, I guess so. No, I did not. Oops. There we go. And submit. Okay, so I guess the lesson there is, in addition to checking for validity, you always have to be careful just when you're filling out the truth table itself. All right, so I'm going to stop there. If you have any questions, you can email me.